JEC.English. I'm Miss Civic, and let's begin with today's video. 让我们开始今天的影片吧。
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are on to episode 5 of how do you use idioms and proverbs correctly, be it in your speaking or your writing. So 今天呢，终于来到我们的 episode 5的第5集了 ，OK? Which means we only have like 5 more episodes to go, OK? 所以接下来我们还剩5个 episodes 罢了。So before I officially start on today's idioms or proverbs, okay, I would like to say something here first, okay? So 老师，我想要讲一些东西，就是呢。You guys and girls can actually leave some comments, okay, below the video. 你们可以留些 comment 下来 ，OK， 跟老师讲一下到底有什么 idioms 跟 proverbs, OK， 你们不确定用法的，你们也可以问老师 ，OK。So maybe you guys and girls actually have some idioms or proverbs that you aren't sure you're using correctly, okay. So you can actually leave it in the comments below, okay. I will go through these comments and who knows? Maybe the next 5 episodes will be based on your comments, okay? So 大家可以留言一下 ，So 老师我也可以知道到底有什么 idiom 是你们还不知道正确的用法的 ，OK 啊，老师也可以在下几集讲 ，OK? So guys and girls, without further ado, then let's begin with today's idioms, alright? So let's start, okay? 希望大家准备好你的 notebooks 哦 ，alright? So for today's particular episode, okay, I'm going to talk about these 2 idioms, okay, which actually have the same meaning. 这两个 idiom 呢 ，OK， 这两个 idioms 其实都是有同样的意思的 ，alright? So the first one is called drive someone up the wall, alright? 然后第二个叫 a pain in the neck, alright? So basically, 当你讲一个人 drive you up the wall， 或者一个人 is a pain in the neck, okay? 其实你要讲的是 that particular person is very annoying or very irritating, okay? So 这个人很 annoying, okay? So 你感觉很不耐烦，很被气 you get it? Yeah, you feel very frustrated with him or her, okay? So basically, once again, when someone drive you up the wall or when someone is a pain in the neck, okay? Basically, you are referring to that particular person as being very annoying or very irritating towards you, okay? So you cannot like, you literally cannot stand him or her, okay? So 这样亲爱的，这一边这两个 okay, how am I going to use it correctly in my speaking or writing? Okay, once again, I need to emphasize on this particular point, okay, because this is very important. 这个是很重要的 point， 大家永远要记得 okay? In English, 我们的 idioms, okay, 我们的 proverbs 不像国语的 peribahasa 这样，全部都是放 bak kata pepatah， 有没有？不是 ，okay， 这一边我们要看它的词性。Okay, we need to use it based on the word form. Okay, 像第一个 drive someone up the wall， 大家都懂 drive. The word drive is actually a verb. Am I right? So 第一个句子我们是用来当做是 verb 来用。So for the first idiom, you use it like how you would use a verb. Okay. As for the second idiom, 第二个 idiom a pain in the neck. Okay. So 这边有一个 hint. Okay. 这边有没有看到它放 a pain in the neck? So 好，很明显，这一个我们用成一个 noun， 明白吗？我们用成一个 noun, or you can also, memorize it as an adjective. So make sure you put verb to be in front， 明白吗？ So 老师，我这一边先解释给你听。Okay, let's take a look at the example sentences given, alright, to further understand about these 2 idioms. So 第一个是叫 She just drives someone up the wall. Okay, guys and girls, listen very carefully. 这一边老师我放红色是因为是错的。Why is this sentence wrong? Because once again, I've already, mentioned this in our previous episode, in episode 4. Okay, 在第4个 episode 我们有提过的。So let's say if you forgot, 或者你没有看过，你可以看回去老师我的 episode 4. Okay, 在英文的 idioms 里面 okay, anytime you check the dictionary or you Google search, okay, right? So 如果他给你的字是 someone, somebody, one.Okay, remember to change it into the pronoun that you want to use. 记得要改掉那个代名词。所以这一边可能老师我要讲他很烦，OK， 他令到我觉得很烦。So 正确英文我们应该是写 She just drives me up the wall. Okay, so this one is in present tense. Am I right? 这样你看啊，怎样把它当作是动词来用 ？How can you use it like a verb? Okay, change it according to the tense that you are going to use as well. For example, number 2 is present tense, am I right? 这样 the third sentence, okay, is actually past tense. Okay, you are referring to the past. Maybe she was annoying in the past, okay, but right now she's okay. 对吗？所以我们可以直接写 She just drove him up the wall. So once again, someone 要改成正确的代名词，明白吗？ Now the word drive, okay? Remember, subject verb agreement. So drive 要加 s in the second sentence is because 我们这边讲着 she, okay? We are using a singular pronoun here. That's the reason why 它的 verb 我们也是要用 singular verb with s, 要加 s. Okay? Now likewise, 在我们的 sentence number 3, because it is in past tense, so I have to change the word into past tense as well. So drive, drove, driven. Drove 就是它的 past tense, driven 是它的 past participle. Am I right? So 这一边我就用 past tense, she just drove him up the wall. So once again, 你看那个 him 代名词，老师我也改成正确的。So that's how you that's how you are going to use this particular idiom correctly. Okay, 这样来 guys and girls, let's move on to the next example sentence. Okay, 讲下一个句子来，看到吗？ Number 3 is totally wrong. My sister is, as the saying goes, a pain in the neck. Okay, so basically in English, it is very different from bahasa Melayu. Okay, 跟国语是很大差别的。国语 okay, you can just put bak kata pepatah, okay, to connect with the peribahasa. But in English, okay, not everything can be written with as the saying goes. Not everything, okay, not every single idiom when you write as the saying goes is correct. Okay, so 这一个很明显是错的。Okay, because a pain in the neck is meant to be used as a noun or as an adjective here. So 这边我要放的是 verb to be, okay? So the correct version, guys and girls, would be sentence number 4. My sister is a pain in the neck. No one can stand her. 没有人可以打hand到她。So there you go, all right? So these are the 2 ways how you can use these 2 idioms correctly. So hopefully you have learned something new today. Okay, so guys and girls, remember to share this with friends who will benefit from this particular video. And remember to turn on the notification as well as subscribe to my channel. Okay, so hopefully in the next few episodes left we have in this series, okay, it will be based on the idioms as well as the proverbs that you have given me suggestion for. Okay, so I will see you next week. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.
快樂嘅時間過得特別快，又係時間講拜拜。So hopefully you have learned a thing or 2. So remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I will see you in our next video. 下一次見，拜拜。